Hello, welcome to Bell CV. I have a tune-up report today for Adam in Kentucky on this Ranger RCI2980. Adam up on my watt meter. I have 10 watts across the top scale. Just a hair under. That is so that we can have the range that you wanted all the way down to 1. Okay. Let's turn that back up. 50 watts peak power here. It's right here in the middle. 30, 40.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. Audio 1, 2.
Oh, and then there's sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. And how about a 19? Can I get a radio check? I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.